In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sharpen photos in Lightroom Classic. Sharpening is a crucial step in post-processing that can bring out the finer details in your images, making them appear crisp and vibrant. Whether you're working with a landscape, portrait, or any other type of photograph, understanding how to effectively use the sharpening tool is vital. Let's start by opening your photo in the Develop module of Lightroom Classic. This is where all the magic happens in terms of editing your image to enhance its look. Or if you're photographing professionally, to meet a certain standard. Once you've got your photo up, you want to zoom in to 100%, also known as a 1:1 view. This allows you to see the effect of sharpening more accurately, especially on the edges and textures, which is paramount for detailed editing. Next, you'll want to navigate to the right panel of your screen and open up the Detail panel. This is where we'll focus most of our attention as it holds all the necessary tools for sharpening your image. In the Sharpening section, you're going to work with 4 key sliders: Amount, Radius, Detail, and Masking. Let's delve into each one. The Amount slider is your primary tool here. It controls the intensity of the sharpening effect. Think of it as the volume knob for sharpening. Dialing it up will increase the strength of the effect, so adjust this slider for the overall sharpening effect that suits your image. Next is the Radius slider, which determines how far sharpening extends from the edge of an object in your photo. Essentially, it controls the thickness of the halo around edges. A smaller radius will focus on fine details, perfect for detailed textures and intricate parts of the image, while a larger radius affects broader strokes, possibly useful for larger and less complex elements. Moving on to the Detail slider, this controls how much fine-edge detail or texture is being sharpened. High values will emphasize the fine textures, giving your image that detailed look. It's important, though, to use this judiciously, especially in portraits, to avoid making skin look too harsh or textured. Finally, we have the Masking slider. This valuable tool lets you restrict sharpening to just the edges and important parts of your photo, protecting smoother areas like skies or skin, which generally don't need sharpening. A neat tip here is holding down the Alt or Option key while dragging the slider. This shows you a helpful masking preview where white areas will be sharpened and black areas will remain protected. It gives you a clear visual guide for precise control over your sharpening process. And there you have it. With these steps, you can enhance the details in your images effectively using Lightroom Classic. Happy editing, and be sure to experiment with these controls to find the perfect sharpening balance for your photos.